Hi, I'm Jennifer and this is Design Rookie. I made the pattern for this heart-shaped bag in my previous video, so if you haven't seen that, you can always check it out. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the sewing aspect of the heart-shaped bag. Here, I already cut out my bag patterns, both the main bag and the lining. You will be needing your piping, which I made myself, although you can get already made ones. You also need your chains and rivets. I hope I'm not forgetting anything else. So let's begin. I sew my piping to the main body of the bag, both pieces whenever I cut out sew. Next, I pin my zipper to the zip strap and sew. I do this for both zip straps, after which I top stitch when I'm done joining the zipper to the zip straps. That way they lay flat. I cut out two short straps, 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches, which I will be attaching my chains to. That is for the handle of the bag. Then I sew it to my zip straps before adding the bottom strap all together. Having done that, I attached it to the main body of the bag using pins to check if it is a perfect fit before sewing. It turned out it wasn't, so I had to adjust the ends where I joined the zip straps to the bottom strap. And then I checked again if it fits. Fortunately for me, this time it did, and so I went ahead to sew it. I repeat the same process for the lining, only there won't be a zipper attached to it. Having done that, I join the lining to the bag, wrong side facing wrong side like so. I'm doing this because I want the lining to fit properly in the bag by the time I completely turn it. But you can skip this process altogether if you want, because this isn't really necessary. You can still turn it without going through this process. I already added the rivets on the front. I kinda skipped that, but I will be sure to do a detailed tutorial on that as it's quite easy. After turning the bag, I pinned the top part of the lining to the bag, thereby closing the opening to the rough inner part of the bag. And then I blind stitch. You should take your time while doing this because you don't want anyone seeing your stitches. I'm done blind stitching, and as you can see, the opening is closed. You can also use gum to attach the lining to the bag, but I prefer blind stitching most times. I am using a very short chain since my handle or shoulder strap is long. The shoulder strap is about 1.5 inches by 45 inches. I made the strap long, which is different from the one I put up in the video showing how I made the pattern. Next, I attached the shoulder strap to the bag. And this is our finished work. It was fun making this. If you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until my next tutorial, see ya!